skin prepped for makeup. I could depuff my face. Because I need my skin to look good, I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. Just creates a nice base for makeup over top. I'm gonna try this new primer. It's the Cover FX Stress Remedy Primer plus Redness Relief. I have quite sensitive red skin right now, so hopefully it'll help calm it down. Quite cooling when you put it on the skin. Next, I'm gonna put on a pretty full coverage foundation. This is the Cover FX Power Play Foundation. I look crazy right now, but take a beauty blender and blend it all in. And I'm not putting on SPF today because I don't want there to be any flashback when the picture is being taken, or else my face is gonna look super white compared to the rest of my body. I love this foundation. Just gonna set my under eyes with Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. Just to set my foundation, I'm sure you guys have heard of this one. It's very TikTok famous, but it's the L'Oreal Infallible Powder Foundation. It is a powder foundation, so it does cover, but I'm just gonna put on very little just to set everything. Like, I'm literally just tapping once and then dusting it over top. For blush, I've been liking this Color Stick by Evio Beauty. It's quite natural and I like that it gives me a bit of a glow. Now I look a little bit more alive. So I am gonna contour a little bit. I don't even want to call it contouring because I'm just gonna add some dimension to my face, but this is a monochromatic bronzer duo and I'm using this to add some dimension. Really like this brush from Real Techniques. This is their 028, and because of the nice curve that it has, it just fits in really nicely with my jawline. And because I'm taking pictures, I'm gonna put on more than I normally would, because when you take pictures, about 30% of your makeup disappears. Next, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. This is one of my favorite palettes currently. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette. I love the colors in this. I'm just gonna do a light dusting of this shade right here. I don't want my eyes to look too dark, so just a very light dusting. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. And that's it for now. After I put on liner and my lashes, I'm gonna go back in and fill in any blank areas. I'm gonna curl my lashes first. Got this new one from Muji. I find that the curling part is the most important, because if it's curled very unevenly or there's random crimps on your lashes, the mascara accentuates those crimps and doesn't look nice. So I always take my time with the curling part. Okay, I'm gonna take my favorite mascara right now. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Waterproof. The reason why I do it like this is because I like to curl my lashes when I don't have eyeliner on my lids already, because I hate when it gets on my eyelash curler. So I like to line the outer thirds. Oh shoot. I never line the inner corners because I feel like that closes up my eyes. Like that. So after that's done, now I go in with my mascara to coat the outer lashes lightly because I'm going to put false lashes on. The lashes I'm putting on today are these by Ardell, I think. They are the half lashes. And I like these because they look pretty natural on my eyes. I don't like the really full volumized look on my eyes because those tend to close my eyes up too. This is as dramatic as I will get with lashes. Any more and I think I'll look crazy. Lately I've been getting really into false lashes. Onto the other eye. I'm actually not too fussy about my eyebrows. I just don't want it to look super dark. I like it to look natural. Do a lot of brushing so that the pencil really blends in with my natural hairs. I find that the most important part about an eyebrow product is the spoolie. If it's not a soft, cushiony spoolie, I tend to not gravitate towards it because I actually draw most of my eyebrows with the spoolie by using it to blend the actual drawing. So I use really little pencil and let the spoolie do all of the work. Now that I'm almost done, I'm gonna take my eyeshadow palette again and put some shadow underneath my eyes for more dimension. Just using that same shade that I used on my lids. Making sure to blend everything. Next, this is probably my favorite part. I put on some glitter. This is from Artist Couture and it's in the shade Spotlight Glitz. It just helps to add a little bit of a pop to your eyes. So I just take very little and dust it all over my lids. For lips, I don't want to do anything too much. I'm gonna just dab some of this red color. Then to top that off, I'm using my Ilia Balmy Gloss in the shade Saint. Is my final makeup look. Now I gotta do something about my hair. The attire that we're supposed to be in is just white tee and jeans.